Step 1 begins right here at the farm, where mature peanut plants are carefully lifted from the soil so the peanut pods can be collected for production. After harvesting, the raw peanuts are immediately transported to the factory to begin processing, while freshness is preserved. In step 3, raw peanuts enter powerful cleaning systems where dust, soil, and field debris are removed before further processing begins. In step 4, advanced optical systems sort and grade peanuts by size, color, and quality to ensure only the best move forward. In step 5, graded peanuts enter high-temperature roasters, where controlled heat develops their rich flavor and aroma. In step 7, the roasted peanut skins are gently removed using air and abrasion, leaving clean kernels ready for grinding. In step 6, the freshly roasted peanuts are rapidly cooled under controlled airflow to lock in flavor and prevent over-roasting. In step 8, the clean roasted peanuts enter the first stage grinder, where they are crushed into a thick, coarse peanut paste. In step 9, extra roasted nuts are blended into the peanut paste to create the rich, chunky texture customers love. In step 10, the peanut butter passes through high-speed refining mills to achieve its final smooth or controlled chunky consistency. In step 11, the peanut butter is tested for texture, thickness, and safety standards to ensure every batch meets strict quality requirements. In step 12, the finished peanut butter is automatically filled into jars and tightly sealed for freshness and safety. In step 13, sealed jars are labeled, shrink-wrapped, and packed into branded cartons ready for shipment.
Watch the clearance on the left. That's good, set it down.
Make sure the logo is facing out on all of them.
Got it. Almost done with this section.
We have the extra creamy right here, and the organic selection is just above that.
Ah, okay. How fresh is the stock?
That will be $15.99 at the Beep. Here you go, have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Glad we made it before they ran out. Me too. This stuff is the best.
In step 14, our peanut butter is distributed to stores, placed on shelves, and finally enjoyed by customers around the world.